Alright guys, so pretty much what you got here is just me enjoying some time from the backyard and grabbing the entire arsenal here, the 20, the 85, and the 70 to 200. Just really wanted to kind of focus more on the project instead of like what lenses I'm using or what focal length I'm at, or you know, any of the things that you kind of hear on YouTube a lot where people they want to go out and they want to shoot with a certain lens. Um, I was all about that, all about shooting with a certain lens, all about going out and doing the best I could with one of my lenses. And then I got lens crazy, and honestly, I really figured out that it's about the project, not necessarily the lens. Of course, lenses are the point that matters, but it's more so the project. Now I'm editing this project, and obviously I can tell which shots are which because I shot them, but there's something very intrinsic about watching an edit and seeing all the different lenses and different focal lengths kind of create the story. So if anything, take away from this, it's something we're about more creating the story as opposed to what lenses you're using.